Subordinating conjunction worksheets. Question 1. Can you show the subordinating conjunctions used in the below given sentences? A. The teacher didn't let me in because I was late. B. I'll tell you if you conceal it. C. Think before you speak. D. You can understand it provided that you work hard. E. She is better than he is. Question 2. Can you distinguish between the subordinating and coordinating conjunctions given below? A. And, but, so, that. B. So, although, for. C. If, nor, yet. Frequently asked questions. Subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction, definition and meaning. A subordinating conjunction links a subordinate clause to a main clause, as in, he came here because he wants to meet you.